Hello viewers, Microsoft is making a big change to how you sign into your account. Currently, when you log into a Microsoft account, a pop-up appear asking if you want to stay signed in. You can choose yes or no, and there is also any option to stop seeing this message in the future. However, Microsoft has announced that this prompt will be removed. From now on, once you sign in, you will stay signed in automatically without being asked. This change means that if you log into your account on a shared or public computer like a print laptop or a computer in a hotel or internet cafe, you must manually sign out before leaving. Otherwise, your account will remain logged in, which could put your personal information at risk. If you log in on someone else's computer and forget to sign out, your account could remain accessible. If you using a public computer like in a library or airport, your account might stay signed in even after you leave. This could lead to security issues if someone else gain access to your email or personal data. Always manually sign out from any device that is not yours. If you are using a public or shared computer, make sure to clear browsing data after logging out. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. This change is expected to take effect in February. Stay aware and make sure you take extra steps to protect your Microsoft account. What do you think of this update? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.